animal. Its giant extendable mouth can engulf prey larger than its own body. Two miles down, you finally reach the ocean floor. The pressure of the water is 300 times greater than at the surface, and it's freezing cold. Yet, amazingly, there are animals living here. Musoctopus robustus, nicknamed the pearl octopus. Breeding in these extreme conditions poses a particular problem for these animals. At these low temperatures, this female's eggs could take over 10 years to develop. This is the largest known gathering of octopus in the world. She joins 20,000 other females, all here to lay their eggs.